Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.